Good afternoon, all. CamelbackTrading.org coming to you this Thursday afternoon, December 12th. We are looking at Window Traders Market Profile of the ES and the NQ. Very quiet day. We do probe in ES and NQ late in the day to the downside. We attempted to go trend up in ES early. A small attempt at a trend day down, didn't hold. NQ failed a couple times on the upside. We'll start with Righty. Righty is now down on both the weekly and the daily. Righty took out their balance low. So, again, there's some concern with Righty making an all-time high. It took over 3 years. And now, following kind of the same pattern, at least on the weekly and daily, where we've gone down now since then. So, they go out with a price probe and an afternoon rally high in H. NQ goes out with a 9-wide POC and an inside day. So just like I said, I wasn't going to call the daily up unless we took out yesterday's high. It's balanced for me. Okay? ES goes out with only the price probe. We were 8 for 8 wide at one point. Never got 9 wide. Again, balance. Again, I hate to repeat it, but we have to keep saying it. Volume, 27 million right now. So if we don't do 5.5 million in the overnight, or up to 8 o'clock, we would have the 6th lightest volume of the year in December out of 10. And the 6th lightest probably of the last 3 years. So to say that that concern is not building is not true. It is. Now, again, I'm not one, I'll never say sell will come or this or that. I still don't think this market's going to pull back much in the last 2 weeks. Okay, I just don't. No idea what to expect, though, once the new year starts. Okay, I do know that at some point, other players have to come in to buy this market. We can continue to go up, but it's not going to take much to just wipe out a lot of daily, weekly lows. I'm telling you. So I'm only trading what's in front of me, but at some point this volume is going to be a reason to be concerned. I had a decent day, and again, mostly in the morning. I took very few trades in the afternoon. I got my staple plays that we talk about. In A period, I took a short in NQ against the opening and the 144. Numerous times I could have done it. I only did it once or twice because numerous times it got up there and failed. I did get my short in B to get A's low, which was one of our staple plays to get the one-time framing. And then after that, now they did not take out the overnight low right away. So I had the short, took out A's low, went back up, started coming in again, took the short again to get the overnight low. So we got both our staple plays, and then I started looking for some ebb and flow shorts because we had the overnight low, we had value lower. Now it ended up overlapping low, but it was totally low at that time. So I was looking for shorts. And then in C period, on a total reversal, because I thought we had good odds of getting possibly the IB low when we had first taken out A's low and the overnight low, we reversed to stop the one-time framing down. Then I took the long to get B's high. So I got all of them. Now, a couple of days ago or last week, I forget when, we had a lot of trouble getting acceptance into an upper distribution, if you recall. Same thing today. D, G, and H continually got rejected in the upper distribution. In fact, we never got our 19-wide POC that I'm going to carry forward. I forgot to put the line. I'll carry that forward. Now, eventually, I forgot what day that was. We finally got it. I don't know if it was the next day or the day after. But as a day trader, this is important why we look at double distribution days. Now, today's high is going to be more important than those two distributions now because it's an inside day and we're looking to take out the daily high. Now, I did not short G or H's high. Should have, but didn't. Even ES. ES got the overnight low. Look at this. D period missed the overnight high, and then they tried an E, F, G, and H and failed. Those are all good risk-reward shorts. They never got it. You knew you're out. For me, I could have shorted the upper distribution low and used either the wide POC as my out or the overnight high as my out. So, but I didn't take those. J period, I actually took a long thinking we'd have a pullback low and hold it. I lost some on that. I did take a short in NQ and K period, made small. And then in M period, I actually took a short in ES, and I should have held it. I knew this was going to happen. Against the one-time framing down, I said if they stop it, I'm going to take it off. And I did. I lost 2 ticks. Right? And then what happened? Rolled over and probed. One other trade I forgot about, I did take a long in ES and I that I made a couple of points on. At that point, I thought it might be the afternoon pullback. So it was a decent day. Again, the majority in the morning with those plays that I like. The range and volume were very, very constricted today in both these things. We didn't come close to the ranges we like, which is $4 in ES, $5 in NQ, and certainly the volume. You know, one thing, we were having poor volume most of the year, but the ranges were okay. This month, we've contracted both. It's made it very, very more challenging. Our checklist sheet turned out the Bears ended up winning 5-1 in ES, 6-1 in NQ. So the Bears have won 3 out of 4 days this week, and we've had lower value 3 out of 4 days. But again, for the week, we're only down $3.50 right now. There's nothing out tomorrow. Next week, you have a lot. I roll over on Monday. Always the Monday of expiration. I don't look at volumes to see if I should roll over tomorrow or next Tuesday. I always roll over the Monday because I don't back adjust charts. And so I use that as my starting point for the next contract. So you have rollover next week. You have the Fed Wednesday. You have PCE out. And you also have expiration in SPIGO and ex-dividend Thursday night for Friday. As far as destinations, ES is high as 87.75. The price probe is 63.25. Today's low is 59.50. So we'll see if we open below the base of the price probe tomorrow. In SPY, today's high is 607.16. The price probe is 604.75, and today's low is 604.34. And then chart-wise, so again, we just extended the balance now to 7 days. It's a 7-day balance, an incredibly tight one. It's only $7 in ES. NQ's balance is about $11. So it's a very tight balance for a 7-day time period in ES. Up to 29.5 million. Maybe we won't do the lightest. We'll see. And I want to show you one other thing. Let's show you triple Qs, because triple Qs, again, had the inside day. So again, balance for them. I hope you had a good day trading. Thank you so much for liking and subscribing to this channel. Enjoy your evening, and we'll speak prior to the opening tomorrow.